Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add boarding pass to Apple Wallet. Now if I directly open the wallet application inside the Apple, if I open it, as you can see I've opened, if I click on the plus button, so I'm not able to see directly add any kind of boarding pass or any boarding option directly to add it inside the wallet. But how can you do it? Like there's no way to add it directly inside the wallet. What you can do is just go to the App Store. This is basically you can say the example one or method one, and just search here pass to you wallet. Basically this is the application pass to you wallet. You will see this one, pass to you wallet, add store card. You can just directly add any card inside this application, download it. Otherwise what you can do is just go to the boarding application, which you will find, and you will see an option like this one. Like as you can see, an option like this one, add to wallet, just beside your the boarding pass. It depends like if your app or the website supports this feature or not, but you will see an option. If you are able to see it, you just need to click on this button, add to Apple Wallet, and once you click on this option, so that will be listed directly inside your Apple Wallet. So that is a simple and easy methods of how you can do it.